Hi dear students, in this video we are going to see some opt-out related doubts. So we will break this video into like three parts: foundation, inter and final, opt-out related doubts. First, in general, that is for applicable for foundation, inter and final. Whether November 20 exam results for this November exam as well as the cycle 2 January exam will be declared together or separate? The answer is separate. That means for November exam you can expect somewhere in January or in the first week of February. For January exam, like 60 days from that examination. Then again next question, that is also for foundation, inter and final. If you have written 3 papers out of 4 papers and you have opted out, okay, before writing the 4th paper in that particular group, whether that first 3 papers will be corrected, whether they will give the result. 4th paper let it be absent, but first 3 papers whether they will give result. Answer is no. Your paper will not be evaluated itself. Then this is for particular for foundation, but it is for entire India, foundation students across the India. If a foundation students opted out from November examination, cycle 1 examination, and he writes now January, that is cycle 2 examination, if he writes, and if the results is declared somewhere, okay, after February, okay, that means you can't register for inter before February, okay, like that. Whether you are eligible to write CA inter examination in November 21, this is the biggest question. I am telling you, this is the biggest question, because many foundation students, because the pressure from the academy, in academies they are not enough equipped for this online classes, so they have not completed the classes or they have not completed the revision, so they are asking the students for opt out and write in January examination. If you are like that, so if your result, even if it is declared in the February end, or if it is declared in the month of say March, it is very difficult for you to complete that 8 months study period. The minimum study period requirements remains the same. This is what ICI told. So please understand, 8 months study period means only if you are registered before February. So March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, then only November examination you can write. So you should register for CA inter in February month itself, that is before 28th of February you should register, then only you can write November inter examination, otherwise you cannot. So it's a very dangerous thing to opt out, because you will be wasting next 1 year full. Next, this question is particular for CA inter for Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry students who falls under that Nivar cyclone, whereby the paper 2 law paper got postponed, no, that one. Can I opt out after writing 4th paper in the group 1? Can I write the law paper alone after that group 2 is over? That means December 9th can I write? If you are opt out, please understand, if you are opt out, if you want to opt in, you have to provide certificates to ICI. Okay, so it is very difficult for you to get those certificates. So for opting out, they are not asking certificates. For opting in, they are asking certificates. So if you can able to provide the certificates to ICI, sir, I already registered for both groups, but I want to write only group 1 this time, and I am going to opt out for group 2. In that case, if you are opting out after writing your 4th paper, okay, saying that you or your parents have COVID, self declaration is okay. But if you want to write this law paper again, you have to give a certificate from doctor that you are COVID negative now, which according to me is very difficult. So take a prompt decision. Then for CF final, for TN and Pondi, this is a major question, because your SFM paper many students have not written properly. So what people are thinking, the people who want to write both groups together, only for those people they are thinking like that, not only one group people, both groups people, both groups new syllabus people, that's what thing is. Sir, the SFM paper I will fail, or I will not get very good marks, so I want to opt out after writing group 2. So after writing group 2 8th paper, if I opt out, that means group 1 is opted out. Okay, that scenario. But I will tell you, do not opt out now. After writing the 8th paper, that is group 2 last paper, after writing that you decide. Don't decide now, because it is a very technical question. Clarity is highly missing. So it's only an interpretation. If you interpret, yes, you are opted out from group 1. That means you can write in January examination. Okay, remember this. So can I opt out after writing group 2? Can I write group 1 in January 21? This is the question. Answer is, don't opt out now. Write for another 8 days, you have time. Before that, if ICI gives a notification, let us see. Otherwise, let us decide at that point of time. Thank you so much.